Have you ever needed to give a number, but you weren't sure about the exact amount? The word approximately can help you sound smarter and clearer. Approximately means roughly or nearly a number or time. It is used when an exact figure is not known or is not important. A common mistake is using approximately when you actually know the exact number. Also, it's wrong to use it with exact words like exactly. We often say approximately plus number/time. For example, approximately 5 minutes, approximately 100 people, or approximately $50. The journey will take approximately 2 hours. There were approximately 20 guests at the party. The book costs approximately $15. A student was late for class and said, "I arrived approximately at 9:10, because they didn't check the exact time but knew it was around then." Think of the word approximate like a spaceship nearly landing on the planet, but not exactly. It's close enough, but not 100% precise. Now you know how to use approximately well. Try it out in your own sentences, and don't forget to practice.